Switch button is operates, as well it's manual, as well it's automatic. So we'll put in this position right here and we activate it. Okay, let's go ahead and see what I've done wrong. Gotta open this way maybe. Oh, there you go. So this basically, it's a repeat option. That's left and the right. I disconnect one of them so you can see that stereo is working. The both side is working, just humbling a little bit because of this wire not grounded. But the both stereo is working. This is volume. This is radio tuning option, so it's all, you can change this all FM, AM. Let's see, because I did try it before and it's worked just fine. Maybe I have to turn this thing off. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna shut the thing off. There you go. Get this thing off. Let's see. Tuning. I know it's working. Maybe I need to pull antenna. There you go. So it's some contact somewhere. Very welcome. There you go. We need to clean this one.
7 by 19.
It's easy to blend it.
After that game, where Jordan Love pretty much let everybody know.
There you go.
5 cents per gallon on your first tank. You can cash out anytime right to your bank.
Okay, that was a FM. This is AM. We don't really have much of an AM in South Carolina, but FM is available. So let's go ahead and oh, it's right here.
Patrick,
I didn't turn on. I got it.
he spoke to the media
There you go.
following, and he pretty much said
It's probably same time as FM or AM. So this is a tape,
I know why
stereo,
we stuck.
FM, and AM. This is AM. Yeah, we're very limited on AM stations over here.
Muntazar, 23-year-old son of one of 8 brothers here.
Back it up and do it like that. Yeah, back it up, don't do it like that.
Grateful for you. This is
Okay. Shut this thing off. Let's go ahead and process this. This is going to be repeat. If you place it this way, it's going to be on repeat. And let's see. Yeah, forget to show you the speed too. Let's go to the end. There we go. And you'll see it's going to be repeated this whole process again. There we go. And it's going to be on and on and on. So now we'll set this to shut off. All right. Right the money. You press this thing in. That's it. And let's pull this thing out of here. That's it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.